Thank you.
Hey, Lucy.
Hey, Pam. What's up?
I gotta tell you something.
Speak it.
Okay, well, it's just really hard to say right now, but Sally died.
How is that shit even possible?
I don't know, she like, all of a sudden, she just like was floating upside down. I don't know, whatever goldfish do when they die. It's just really, can I please come over?
Sure, girl.
I need to have the fish funeral at your house. We don't have a toilet at my house.
Alright, yeah, okay.
Okay, thanks. I'll be over any second now.
Okay then, bye.
Bye. Hey, girl. Oh. Hey, this is, Sally. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
So try this over this way. Let's go.
This is the way to your bathroom, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. I just don't know if I can handle this.
It's okay, girl. Everyone has experiences sometime. Got my crackers.
Crackers? Lucy, those are goldfish.
Yeah, I know.
What is your problem? Okay, anyways. I don't know what to say right now.
Just pray for her.
I don't know what to say. I just love you. Sally.
Just make sure he's happy in heaven.
Okay. Make sure you're happy to have it. Okay. Ah, you stupid goldfish.
Hey, you forgot the parachute.
Parachute? What? I'm supposed to pick a parachute.
Uh-huh.